Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I have a Wingstop Mukbang. Guys, they be having these humongous ass bags for a little order. Like, this is what I ordered. Fries, lemon pepper. I love how they always like give me ketchup even though I don't eat it, but I'm sure somebody else does. Here's my order. I guess this video is going to be like a mukbang slash life update. So here's the first one. I'm gonna fuck up. So you guys, it's crazy. I did not know that you could edit your messages on iPhone. Like if you do a typo, you can edit it. That's lit. So how you guys been? How's 2023? Honestly, for me, it's been so good. I'm still single. And what else? I'm gonna take these out because you never know when they come in clutch. This is how you're supposed to eat a wing. You feel me? But anyway, I've been out the way, you feel me? It's funny as fuck because I ran into my ex at the mall and his bitch was mad. Like, girl, nobody want that broke boy. That's why you with him. Ugly bitch. I don't even be in drama, but bitches be trying to find me. Like, damn, bitch was commenting on my TikToks. Like, sis, you that bored? I didn't know your name. I didn't even know what you look like, but I bet you knew about me, huh? You probably knew me by first and last name. I don't even be trying to be petty, but like, bitches be trying me, you know? But I've been doing good. I'm happy and shit. I know people mad that I'm doing good. But guess what? If you're that mad, pues si te pica y si te arde, pues ráscate. Not that bad. I wanted fruit. I usually get high C strawberry lemonade, but I didn't have no high C. I got Minute Maid. Whatever. I love doing TikTok now. You guys should follow me on there. But if you guys want to follow me on my Instagram, my other stuff is in the link below. I'm fucking this shit up. I low-key wanted Buffalo Wild Wings, but I did not want to eat there. And honestly, that's the only way I like it, is if I eat it there. Because their fries get nasty. Plus, I wasn't going to do like a mukbang there. That would have just been like awkward. So yeah, I don't know, I'm just so ready for summer. I'm like so over the fucking winter. It's like, I know, it's like so annoying already. Like, I'm over it. So over the winter. I'm ready for hot girl summer. Cold witch, oh my god. Cold bitch winter is done. I'm low-key sad. I don't have a Valentine. And the year I did, the bitch didn't give me shit. I was so mad. Why must I run into these bums, I swear? Man, my stomach. I'm so full. But I eat mad fast. I'm not gonna lie. I eat super fast. Super fast. I don't know about this ranch though, but it's so good. It's addicting. You know what's crazy? The pink sauce lady made it to Walmart. No, I feel like now that the hype is over, nobody really want to fuck with her. But, I'm not about to buy a sauce just because it's pink. I mean, I would try it, but I gotta see what the price is. I'm not finna pay extra because it's pink. Hell no. And then the lady didn't even know what FDA approved meant. Like, girl, you lucky you didn't get sued. She had the Department of Health going to her house. I was weak as hell. Like, I felt bad. Cause, like, I feel like I don't think she knew that her shit was gonna blow up like that. But, Alright, you guys. I'm still not done eating, but I'm mad full, so later.